Hey guys, so this is how to create a video on Adobe Express. So what you're going to need to do is just open up your browser and go to new.express.adobe.com. And then you're going to need to sign into your account if you have one, or if you don't have one, just create an account. It's pretty straightforward. And then let's start with creating the video. So what you're going to do in the home page, you're going to see an option like a video here, other options as well, but you just click on the video option. And then you're going to see quick actions in the beginning. Just ignore that. Just scroll down until you find these options. So let's say we want to create an Instagram reel, for example. I'll just click on Browse Templates. And here I'm going to have a lot of templates to choose from. So you can do this from scratch, by the way, but it's just easier to use a template that you like. So let's choose the first one, for example. Now, what I can do to this template is I can edit and resize and just change every individual element in this template. So let me just wait for it to load up a little bit. Yeah, here we go. So this is what it looks like right now. But what I can do is I can just change the text, for example. Let's say this text says episode. So I'll just change that. New, I don't know, new video. And what you can do is just like resize the text. You can also resize it from here. Just change the font size. You can change the font itself. You can change the style of the text, and you can just move it around from here. And when it comes to the video itself, like I said, you can edit each individual element inside the template. So I can just select the video and then just delete it. And then I can also upload other videos just dragging and dropping, but I'll just keep this video for now. But what I just wanted to demonstrate is that you can change the video. So you can also change it from here. Just click on replace and upload from your device, or just look for videos on Adobe Express itself. And even these decorations back there, or like the background, you can change that. And you can change, like I said, the font size. You can change the coloring. Let's choose the entire thing. Templates. Okay. Let's do this color, for example, or this color. So whatever brand coloring you're used to, you can just choose that. And yeah, that is pretty much it. These are the basics when it comes to Adobe Express and how to create videos on Adobe Express. You have all the elements over here as well, so you can select each of them individually. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.